With TiaraCAD, creating a wall on a surface has become very easy with surface from cross-section. Let's choose a surface, for example, this one, set surface, and I say set rail, and I can get a simple rectangular cross-section on it where you can choose the height and the depth and the section width to create a wall on that surface perpendicular to it. For the same thing, if I wanted my own cross section, I can say set surface. I can choose the cross section, preferably keep the cross section in the top view. So you have set surface, set cross section, set rail. You can choose how much it gets into the surface as well. And there you are. This makes it very easy to create designs even for something like a spherical bead, for example. So if I chose this as my surface, my cross section and my rail, I have now got a design on the sphere perpendicular correctly created on it.